Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the correct clip wire connector for the wire gauge and application. This matters because poor fit causes resistance and heat. Once chosen, strip about 0.25 to 0.5 inches of insulation and make a clean cut. Do not nick the conductor since that weakens the joint. Make sure the clip's spring or retaining tab is free-moving and corrosion-free so it grips properly. Now position the stripped conductor into the clip opening, aligning the strands so they seat fully before you compress. Once the conductor is seated, use a properly calibrated crimp tool to compress the clip. The why is consistency. Correct deformation ensures electrical contact and mechanical strength. Apply steady, even pressure. Do not twist the wire while crimping because that can separate strands. After crimping, tug test the wire to confirm a firm hold. Then, add protective insulation such as heat shrink tubing or quality electrical tape to prevent shorting and reduce strain on the joint, making sure tubing fully covers exposed metal. You finish by verifying electrical continuity and performing a firm pull test to confirm the connection is both conductive and mechanically secure. This prevents failures under load. Once done, visually inspect for stray strands, exposed metal, or insulation gaps that could short. Reseat heat shrink or add more insulation if needed. If the clip feels loose or the crimp shows cracks, do not power the circuit. Recrimp with the correct die or replace the connector entirely. That single fix avoids intermittent failures and overheating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.